Okay, today I'm going to show the solution to the 10 by 10 blue grid puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is in level 24. And the puzzle is located on this top level. So I'll tap on the top level and there's the 10 by 10 blue puzzle. And the key to solving this puzzle is this little piece of paper. And you'll need to find this piece of paper before you can solve the puzzle. And that shows you how many times that dark line appears in each column and also appears in each row. So you can see 2, it's in 2 of the cells, and then 4 in that row, it's in 1, 2, 3, 4 of the cells. And when we apply that principle to this blue 10 by 10 grid, then say that row there, which is 6, then that should have 6 of the lines in it, and then each of those columns, the first one will have 1, and then the next one will have 5, and so on. So what I'll do now is show you the solution. Okay, so first of all we go across 1, and down 1, across 1, and then up 1, and then we keep going across until we get to the 7 column, and then we go down 3, and then keep coming across until we get to that second column. Obviously with the first column we've already got one line in that one of those cells, so we can't go into that column again. And we keep coming back across now until we get to the 4 column, down 2, and then we come back across until we get to the 7 column. We go down 1, or down 2 actually, and across until we get to the second from the end. We go up 1 and we go across. And before I finish off the puzzle, if you count the number of cells that has that blue line in it, it'll equal to the number either along the top of the column or on the side of the row. And to finish it off, then we just go down 1, and there we go. The puzzle has been solved. And you take out the card, and then you continue on solving this level. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.